Hey, how's it going, everyone? Hope you are having an excellent day today, and thanks for tuning into this video. And today I want to share with you something that I've been wanting to purchase for a very long time, and I finally got it. This is the Mityvac MV7840 pressure bleeder, and I was so excited when I got it that I actually went and opened it first already one time, but I wanted to reopen it with y'all out there just to share all the contents of it and everything, to see exactly what you get with this. Now, without further ado, let's get going. Open this and let me show you what's inside of it. Okay, so what we have in here is the pressure brake bleeder system. So what this does is it forces brake fluid into your brake system, so that, and it's pressurized so that you will not have to continuously pump your brake pedal, and this can become a one-person brake bleeding service job. And what the MV7840 is it consists of another unit. I'm going to put this up in the text over here, what it comes with, along with the brake pressure bleeding adapter kit on here. So this is an all-in-one kit where it has the actual unit, and then it has the kit with the adapters to adapt to the car. And let me tell you, this thing is solid. Everything built into here feels very premium. Let's get to opening this. So here you have the reservoir system over here, and you can use this to actually put pressure or vacuum. They have a little switch over here where you switch between pressure or vacuum. I don't know if you can see it, but this is pressure over here and vacuum. You just toggle for whichever side you need, and this is where you would plug in your air inlet hose over here. And let me tell you, it doesn't look like it from here, but this thing feels premium. This feels really solid. And this is where you toggle between vacuum and pressure on the top over here also. You go back and forth for whichever direction you need to toggle it for. The build quality of this is extremely good, and you can definitely get a lot of good service jobs from it. And it has a little dial indicator gauge right here that tells you how much pressure is built inside of the reservoir right here. And they tell you to not exceed 25 psi, I believe, but you need to refer to the service manual just to be 100% sure. Okay, and let's go on to what else they include in here. This is the main reservoir where you connect everything to it. Instruction manuals. Definitely go through the instruction manual before you try to operate this. Make sure you know exactly how to use this for your brake system. Comes with a hook also to hang it. Here are your miscellaneous vacuum tubes and pressure valve over here. I don't know if you can see the focus of it, but here it is. This is what you get with the kit. And then some more miscellaneous hoses over here that you can use to draw a vacuum or dispense fluid with it. Here you go. Don't mind me sweating, it's a very hot day today. And then here's the big boy right here that lets you perform a one-man service job with this for the pressure bleeding system. This is it right here, the pressure bleed adapter kit. And this is the 6850 right here, Mityvac 6850. Inside of here is all your different adapters that you outfit to your car, and let me tell you, everything feels solid. Let's open it up and let you see. Bam! All your different adapters right here. And you know what? Let's give y'all a little closer look right here. Let me bring y'all closer for it. Okay, so here we are. We have all of our different adapter fittings that you'd outfit to your brake cylinder, and once you have everything outfitted to there, you should be able to perform a brake pressure bleeding procedure to bleed your brakes on your car and get new fluid in your system. And let me tell you, the fittings, these feel phenomenal. I'm so impressed with the quality of everything on here, and everything is just machined and manufactured to be extremely well fit, it seems. And it's just feels, I don't know if you can tell just from the quality of the video, but having it in person and holding it speaks 10 times more than just seeing it through this video of the quality, the build of everything on this kit. And coming back to this a little bit further, if you take a closer look, you can see that on each of these different adapters, they have the actual name, serial number of each different adapter fitting that you have on there. So it's easy to distinguish which one you use for which one, or if you need to repurchase the different fittings for your kit or whatnot, and you can reference it to your different size fittings that you need for each car model. And it's pretty cool, and the quality of this is just beautiful. Just coming in closer on it, you can see the different quality of the fittings, and just taking a look at it, you can see how well this adapter kit is made. The seals on everything, it just looks beautiful. And here's everything else I have laid out that comes with this 7840 kit. But most important thing, you definitely want to go through your manual to understand how to use this. I know I'm going to be going through it just to get a good feel for it before you start using this, so you can properly bleed your brake system through the pressure bleeding method. And if you don't want to go the method of using something that requires an air compressor with the air in the hose like this, Mityvac does sell one that is a pump handle that lets you do a pressure bleeding without any compressed air, where you just pump the handle and you'd be able to pressurize your container and pressurize your system along to do the brake bleeding job. Coming back for a little bit of a better close-up. But with that said, thanks for tuning in, everyone, and I hope you enjoyed this video with the brake pressure bleeding with the Mityvac 7840 today, and hope you'll have a wonderful day. Peace.